Hopefully this works out.
Destroyed.
All right. We'll check that out in a second. Now we're cooking. This paint a lot better, much better than the actual spray paint. But I think I'm about to run out.
You guys just probably want to dig into that.
Woo! All right, those are some test shots. Can you hear me hitting that steel? I was a little high at first and then I got it. Oh, good! Jam, this is good. It's catching the shells too. All right, let me just get one more. A little gritty. Close it. It's not as bad once the Cerakote slowly wears off. Speaking of wear, so the cool thing is there's really not much wear. Our mag doesn't have anything inside of it also. Not a lot of wear for 8,000 rounds, which I'm surprised. Trigger group, all that stuff, you know, you get minimal wear. This gets oiled, I'd say maybe every 500 rounds or so, but mostly we're looking at every 1,000 is where it really gets cleaned. 8,000 rounds. She didn't blow up yet.
Fucking bag is thrashed.
Interesting.